Hi, I'm Andrea, welcome to Crafty Little Things. It's Saturday, so it's my card challenge day, and the one I'm going to be doing right now is this one from the lovely Gaynor at Stamp with Joy. It's quite a straightforward one, so it should really appeal to me in that it should be quite simple to do. I'm trying my hardest to stay away from Christmas cards, so it's not going to be a Christmas card. So just bear with me and I'll get everything together that we need and we'll get started. So here we are. I've decided on my card. I'm going with a Night of Navy 5x5 base, which I've scored, which is obviously a 10x5 scored at 5. I'm using this lovely Mango Melody, the new colour that came out. Oh, it is very mango-y as well, isn't it? I think it's the first time I've ever used it. That came out this year. And then I'm going to use Garden Impressions DSP, all from Stampin Up. I think everything's from Stampin Up today. This is gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to use that on top. This is a really simple card. And then I'm going to use this really narrow grosgrain ribbon, which I think is still current. Let me just check that. No, it doesn't appear to still be in the catalogue. It must have been in last year's. Yeah, like I said before, last year there was tons of ribbons. This year they seem to have done more with colours than ribbon. So anyway, that is a really narrow gauge. I think it's only 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, it is. So I'm going to put 2 pieces of that across to go with the design. And then I've just got a really simple, I've got a little piece of 3 1/4 by 2 1/4 Mango Melody. Is it Mango Melody? And then I've got Night of Navy, which is 3 by 2. And then I've just got a piece of Whisper White, which is 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. And I've used a retired stamp set, a retired celebration set actually, Bloomin' Marvellous, and I absolutely love this. I've used a little butterfly, I've stamped off, as you can see all over here, using Night of Navy, and I've used So Glad We're Here for Each Other as the sentiment, and I've done that in Night of Navy. It comes up so pristine, look at that, it's beautiful. Looks like old-fashioned typewriter that I learned to type on. And that basically is it. Obviously I'll have to put an insert in to write on, but yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to cut a couple of pieces of this to fit across the card, because I'm not going to it's got like a strip of something across the middle, but I'm taking it as 2 strips of the same thing in the sketch. This is closer to the sketch than I normally get, just lately. So, yeah, so watch me assemble this. Won't be long. And that's my card. I might just pop, because I'm in the mood for using up little bits and bobs, I might just pop little pearl on every butterfly where I can see it's very pretty. So that's my entry this week. I'll see if I've got my other ones. This is my, there's no scrapbook this week. This is my entry for Positively Papercraft Sketch Challenge, and this is the Stamp with Joy Challenge, and then I've got the Joy of Sets Christmas card coming up tomorrow. So thanks for joining me, and Monday will be my crochet project. It's quite a nice one this week, and Wednesday will be my 3D papercraft project, and this week it's going to be a pocket letter, so I thought that would qualify as a 3D project. So it's the pocket letter that I'm making and sending out. So obviously it'll have gone out and hopefully been received by Wednesday. So yeah, that's that. So thank you for watching. And if that pocket letter doesn't get out to the recipient by Wednesday, then Wednesday's project will be a different one. It might well be oh, I know what it'll be. It'll be something really sweet. Okay, right, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.